Hello, students of class 7 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you're all doing well. So, as you can see in the board, we will discuss the sum of time and distance today. That is exercise number 10. So, in the previous videos, I have discussed the sum from 41 to 45. Okay, I hope all those sums are clear to you by now. Okay, because I have discussed those sum in very details, right? So by now your concept should be clear, right? And before discussing the sum, I have also discussed the concepts that you need to solve this sum. Okay, so let's discuss sum number 46 in this video. I am reading aloud sum number 46. Please listen carefully. Okay, so let's start. A boat takes 5 hours to cover 40 kilometers against the current. If the speed of the river current be 4 kilometers per hour, then what is the actual speed of the boat? Now, while doing the sum in the previous video, I have already told you that actual speed of the boat means what? That is the speed of the boat in still water. So, in this sum, we have to find out the speed of the boat in still water, right? So let's do it. So a boat covers 5 hours to cover 40 kilometers against the current. Therefore, speed of the boat against the current will be how much? Against the current will be distance by time. What is the distance? It is 40, right? 40, and what is the time? It is 5. So 40 by 5 is how much? It's 8. So 8 kilometers per hour, right? Okay, and it is given, it is also given, this data is provided, and the speed of the river current, here it has been said as 4 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the river current is how much? It's 4 kilometers per hour. So this, up to this we have done, right? So after that, we also know here we have been asked to find out the speed of the actual speed, that is the speed of the boat in still water when it is moving against the current, right? So again we will write the formula. Okay, again we will write the formula. So what we will write? Speed of the boat in still water minus speed of river current. Why we are subtracting? Because if the river is flowing in this direction from here to here, the boat is moving against it from here to here. So the boat is facing an obstruction from the river current as the river is flowing in this direction. Okay, so this will be speed of the boat against the current, right? We know this, so easily we can calculate this, right? So the speed of the still water is how much? It is we don't know this, we know this and this, right? We need to find out this. So what is the speed of the river current? We know that speed of the boat in still water will keep as it is, okay, because we don't know it still yet, minus speed of the river current is 4 kilometers per hour. And what is the speed of the boat in along the current that we have calculated, it is 8 kilometer, right? 8 kilometer per hour. I am not writing the units again and again. I will write it once at the end. Okay, so this 4 will be here, and if I take this 4 here, this will get positive. So the speed of the boat in still water is 8 plus 4 kilometer per hour, that is 12 kilometer per hour. See, we have got the speed of the water, speed of the boat in still water, or you can see the actual speed of the boat also. Okay, so write the answer as the actual speed of the boat is how much? 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, so very easy, just you have to put the value and do it step by step. Once you have understood the concept, these sums are very easy. Okay, just you have to remember the concepts. Okay, so I hope this is clear, this sum is clear to all of you. This much for this video. Okay, thank you.